Welcome to Echoes of the Void. This space was created for stillness, for rest, for drifting gently away from noise, thought, and tension. Here, every journey is designed to help you slow down, breathe deeper, and let the mind release its grip. Let me briefly guide you through the worlds you'll find here. The quiet. Between worlds to 8 hours of cosmic sleep 4K, this journey is built as a deep, uninterrupted cosmic experience. Soft, ambient soundscapes, slow-moving celestial visuals, and a steady rhythm designed to support deep sleep throughout the night. It's meant to stay with you visually and sonically. For the full 8 hours, you can find the quiet between worlds right here, linked for you if you're curious to explore it. Between stars and silence, a tower ambient visual journey. This world leans into vastness and calm. Slow starfields, gentle cosmic motion, and long stretches of silence between sound layers. It's designed for relaxation, meditation, or simply letting your thoughts fade into space. You'll find Between Stars and Silence linked right here as well. 8 hours cosmic ambient music for deep sleep and relaxation. This journey focuses primarily on sound, a continuous ambient flow meant to relax the nervous system, soften the breath, and guide you naturally into sleep. The visuals are minimal, allowing the music to do the work. If that's what you're looking for, you'll find this one linked right here too. Walking Between Worlds, 12 hours of magical sleep. Ambience 4K. This journey is different by design. For the first 30 minutes, you'll gently walk through a magical world, soft visuals, calm movement, and an inviting atmosphere to help you unwind. After that, the visuals slowly fade away into darkness. While the sound continues, this makes Walking Between Worlds ideal for sleep. No light, no distraction, just ambience carrying you through the night. You can find Walking Between Worlds linked right here if you'd like to experience it. All of these journeys are created with care, intention, and patience. There's no rush here, no expectations, just a place to rest. Thank you for being here and welcome again to Echoes of the Void.